Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can change your phone number on Amazon. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and then open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.amazon.com and hit enter. After the home page of Amazon opens up on your screen, make sure that you're logged in. Once you make sure that you're logged in, hover over this account and lists option on the top right corner of your screen and then click on this account option. Once you click on the account option, you'll be guided to another page. Now on this page, you'll have various options. Click on the login and security option on your screen. After you click on that button, you'll be further guided to another page. Now to change your mobile phone number, on this menu find this mobile phone number tab and then click on this edit button. Once you click on the edit button, you'll be guided to another page. Now you can either delete your mobile phone number by simply clicking on this number, or you can add another mobile phone number by choosing a country here and then filling in the mobile phone number here and then clicking on this continue button. Once you click on the continue button, an OTP code will be sent to your mobile phone number, which you will have to fill onto your computer, which will allow you to change your mobile phone number on Amazon. I hope this video helped you to change your mobile phone number on Amazon. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.